Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Ionity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the general section, look for the language button and click on that. And then click on the OK button. And in your phone's settings, you can click on the language button and just set it. And once you did that, you go back to the application and the language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.